Hello good day viewers, into this tutorial we are going to determine the V0 and ID. So again, the same to the I think the 8th question that we did. We have gallium arsenide and silicon. Yes, as we can see, this is the gallium arsenide as 1.2 and the silicon diode as what, 0.7. So which of the diode it is on or off, or are they on all, or they are what, or they are off? So as you can see, this diode is what, it is on, because at the same time we can't have what, because this gallium arsenide, it is what, it is much higher than what, than this, and this silicon diode, it is what, it is very less than what, than this gallium arsenide. So therefore automatically this will now be what, it will now off, it will now be off, so that we can what, we can find the current in what, in the circuit. So the next thing that we are going to do, we have to say, if we use the drop -1 plus what, plus 0.7 plus 0.7, and therefore we have to stop at here, plus what, plus V0 should now be equals to what, should now be equals to 0. If I said -1 plus what, plus Z, what shall I going to get? It's the same thing as saying this minus Z, so therefore this will be 0.3. So if I say 0.3 plus what, but is it negative, or for this will be negative, so therefore it will be V0, it is equal to 0. So the V0 should now be equal to what, 0.3 what, 0.3 voltage. So how about the current? So let me start from here to what, to the ground. So therefore V0 minus what, minus the current multiplied by what, by the ID, this should be as 0. So therefore the V0 should now be equal to this. What is the, but I have to say that, okay, it's the same thing as saying V0 minus what, minus the current, which is ID, is the same thing as, because 1 multiplied by ID is the same thing as ID, but I have this, which is 0.3. But don't forget with the kilo, the resistance multiplied by what, by this diode, there is kilo inside. So therefore I have to say minus what, minus ID, it is equal to 0. So therefore when I have negative what, negative ID should now be equal, so when this cross the equal sign, it will be negative 0.3 by dividing both sides with -1. So therefore for now the value of this ID should now be equals to what, 0.3 what, milliamps, because of what, because of this kilo. So therefore as you can see, the V0 it is 0.3, and therefore the ID, which is 0.3 what, milliamps. So this is all I have for the what, for the question number 10. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks you for watching.